Hi friends, very excited. I have Saket Singh here. Saket is the head of operations for Delhi Airport, the new Delhi Airport, of course. The interesting fact is that Delhi Airport has been ranked the second best in the planet on a customer satisfaction survey, the customer satisfaction survey, and that is up from 130th out of 130 airports in 2007, as recently as 2007. So obviously there's been some very interesting things happening in this space, Saket. So how did you accomplish it? As a head of operations, obviously you had a lot to do with it.
Head of an operations is a bit of a big title that you're talking about, but all the same, yes, it's been an exciting journey. A lot of hard work went into it, and a lot of benchmarking with airports around the world, especially the airports which do well. So we had people going out to those airports, learning from them. Best practices were brought in here. A lot of expats came in to help us in this journey, and today we are there, more or less.
Okay, and what was it? You said something about systems thinking and putting the systems in place. Is that something that made this happen?
Yes, absolutely. In fact, when we transitioned from a PSU environment to a private sector, and PSUs, though, they're very, very system oriented, but then there are a lot of drags on the whole system there. So we had to reconfigure the entire thing, put the systems in place to achieve faster work, more efficiencies, and operational excellence. So that's how, structured the whole thing, got people moving, and we got the whole thing moving in a fast pace towards the direction that we wanted it to.
Very cool, and congratulations. I'm sure that's a fantastic accomplishment. We only second to Seoul, guys, and next year hopefully will be about that, right? I'm hoping, and I'm best of luck to you.
That's supposedly our vision, the first by 2014.
Absolutely. Wonderful, and best of luck. I'm sure you'll accomplish it. I had a very interesting question for you. You're sitting in the airport, which is the sort of the pulse point of an economy, of the fastest growing economy in the planet, which is growing at emerging market of the world and all that stuff and all that. What do you see about the economy sitting here?
Well, the air traffic is booming. There are a lot of sectors which are actually booming. The fastest growing sector seems to be the private aircraft. So there are a whole lot of industrialists and big guys buying planes and flying planes. The next is, very interestingly, is medical tourism. Delhi as a region has a whole lot of very sophisticated medical facilities all around. So we have people coming from all over the world pretty much. It's not just the SAARC countries, it is also the Middle East and the West who are coming here for treatment.
Very cool.
The downside is that courtesy that we do have a lot of medical emergencies at the airport. Because of these people.
Okay.
Yeah. But then yes, we are very geared for it. So that's interesting. And the traffic just seems to be going on and on. In 2006, when this airport was taken over, it was about 16 million passengers per year. We already crossed 30 million.
My goodness, 30 million per year. Wow, okay.
It's a tremendous amount of growth.
Fantastic. And obviously that means that everything is going well for India,
Absolutely.
right? Another
Absolutely.
thumbs up for India. And I think that's wonderful. The last question really, Saket, and I think it's a very interesting one. So you are actually an NDA topper. You come from a military family and you spent 23 years in the Navy. You were a commander in the Navy, as it were. So what makes you think you're obviously doing a very different corporate job right now? So what has your journey been? What makes you tick?
I think, again, maybe it's my orientation from childhood, and then of course the Navy. The systems approach and handling people. I think that's what counts at the end of it. Whatever your job, as long as you can handle people, you do things systematically, you're there. So that is what really makes.
So that's what has brought you here.
Yeah.
Why did you leave the Navy?
Well, one is to settle down, have some more time with the family.
Okay.
Kids were growing up. And I'd had a very exciting career in the Navy, so
Brilliant.
It's time to move on.
Excellent, excellent. Well, congratulations on the job well done, and I'm sure there'll be more that we'll be able to see about the Delhi airport. Thanks for time. Appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Thanks. Lovely meeting you.